feel so good. Oh no, Vanellope. She ate so much she turned into a gumball belly. Ah! 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 Ah!
Greetings, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Oh, hey, look, it's Ralph. Hey, Ralph.
Hi, Marty.
How are you doing today?
I'm so good. How are you?
I'm doing so good.
Oh no, Marty, look. Vanellope's stuck.
Oh no, what are you gonna do, Ralph?
I'm gonna wreck it. I saved you, Vanellope. Yeah, thanks, Ralph. Oh my goodness, look. Look at who was in there with Vanellope. Oh no, his head came off. His head comes off. And look, we can change his mood. Look at him. Look. Oh no, his hair comes off too. This is such a silly looking guy. Look. Oh, he's sad. You can change his eyes. He's angry. Winky face. He's winking at you. He likes you. Alrighty, let's put him right there. Vanellope, you must be so hungry after being stuck in that box. Oh, I sure am, Ralph. You know what sounds amazing right about now? What, Vanellope? Some candy, just like the kind in my hair. Candy! Yeah! Yummy! Slow down, Vanellope. You're gonna get sick. Oh, Ralph, I don't feel so good. Oh no, Vanellope. She ate so much she turned into a gumball belly. Ah! 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 What are we gonna do? I don't know, Ralph. Just help me, help me, help me. It's okay, Vanellope, we got you. All right, let's see what's in Vanellope's tummy. We gotta help her and make sure that she can get back to normal. Whoa, there's a car. You see that? Oh my goodness. Oh, ah. Okay, there it goes. Okay, that's good. It's out. It's out. All right, let's search some more. Whoa, look. We found a surprise ball. Let's smash them. Hurry. Let's smash it and see what's inside. Ah! Oh, look. We found a green ugly guy. Ew. Do you see him? Ew. He does not look happy. Okay. Well, if he doesn't look happy, that means that there's more inside Vanellope's belly. We better keep looking. Whoa! What is that? Look! There's penguins! We found penguins! How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Ah! There's 3 penguins! Oh my goodness, all this stuff inside Vanellope's belly. Oh, and there they go. Oh, there they go. Oh, they're gone. All right, it looks like we almost got all the stuff out. Let's see if we can find some more, see what else is in there so we can help Vanellope feel better. What? A monkey? What? Huh. I can kind of see a theme here. First we found 3 penguins. Now we found 1 monkey. Huh. Wonder what else we can find in there. Let's keep looking. Whoa! It's a turtle. Do you guys know what color a turtle is? That's right. This turtle is green. Woohoo! Whoa! Look, it's a bunny. Whoa! It's 2 bunnies. We found 2 bunnies. Hop, 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 hop. Whoa! This is so crazy. Look at all this fun stuff we're finding in her belly. I hope it's making her feel better. All right, let's see what else we can find in Vanellope's belly. Wow! Look, it's Doc McStuffins. Hi, Vanellope. Oh, look what she has. She has a Band-Aid for her. Oh, this will fix all of her problems. Let's open it up and see what kind. Oh. Whoa, look, it's Chase from Paw Patrol. We have a Chase Band-Aid. All right, we gotta put it on her, make her feel better. See how she's doing. See if that helps. Don't worry, Vanellope, give it just 1 minute and it'll help, I promise. How do you feel now, Vanellope? Whew, I feel so much better. Thank you so much, Doc. You're so welcome. I'm so glad I could help you. Oh man, this Chase Band-Aid really did help me. I wonder if there's any more that we can have. Do you got any more, Doc? I love them. Maybe, but just keep yourself not sick and then we won't have to use them to save you anymore. Right, on your marks, get set. Whoa, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Whoa. Looks like Vanellope's winning. Oh, it looks like Vanellope's winning. It looks like she's winning. Oh no, Vanellope fell off her car. Oh, I'll come back for you. Oh. Whoa. Yeah! Yeah, I won! Look at that! Yeah! I'm so happy! You know what, Ralph? Even though I fell off, I'm so happy you won too! Yeah! Oh, that was so much fun! Yeah, good job, Ralph! I'm so proud of you! Oh, thank you, Vanellope! Thank you! Oh, yeah! Do the happy dance, victory dance. Oh, join me, Vanellope. Okay, victory dance. Yeah! Yeah, more confetti!
Wow! Oh, that was so awesome. I'm so glad Ralph won. He deserves to win every now and again. Oh, thank you guys for coming and playing with us and helping us save Vanellope Von Schweetz. We'll see you next time. Zim, zam, shabam.
And look what hatched. Out popped Zuma. Hi, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. And look, here comes Chicoletta. What did Chicoletta just do? She just laid all of these eggs. That's so funny. We should try hatching these eggs by sending them down the slide. Let's see what's going to happen. We have 2 slides back here. Mission Control and the Puppy Dog Pals Treehouse. Woohoo, let's get started. All right, little Earthlings, we want to send some of our eggs down our slides at our Mission Control. Woohoo! Let's see this happen. All right, there we go. Let's send up our egg on our elevator. Whoop. Look at the first egg we have. It's an orange egg. Boop, boop. See its face? Its face is orange and it's licking its lip. So here we go. Let's send it down the slide. And look what hatched. Look. Here's our egg with an orange chick. But also out popped Zuma. That was so fun because Zuma wears orange and he was in the orange egg. That is so fun. Let's send him, right? Let's see if we can set him on top of our egg. There. And let's see. This egg is a circle shape. So there's our first egg. Let's do another egg like this one. This one has a yellow face. Let's send him up on the elevator. Woohoo! Here we go, look. Here's our next egg. And let's send him down the slide. Woo! And let's see. Ooh, we got another Paw Patrol hatched. Here's our yellow egg with a yellow chick. And this one's a square shape on the bottom, but we found Rubble! And Rubble wears yellow, so he hatched from the yellow egg. There, stay there, Rubble. Look how cute our Paw Patrol are. Okay, let's send another one up the elevator. Whoop, there we go. This is a green egg. Are you ready to send it down the slide? Whoa! And look, Rocky hatched from the green egg. Chirp, 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 chirp. Look how cute the green egg is. And this is a heart shape. So let's set Rocky on our green egg. There, look at those fun eggs. All right, we got 3 Paw Patrol from Mission Control. Try to get some more eggs from our Puppy Dog Pals treehouse. Woohoo! Here we go. So let's send our egg up the elevator. Woo. The elevator's a little tricky. There we go, and boop, changing station. Here's our changing charge up. All right, here goes our purple egg. It looks like it's screaming. Ah! All right, here goes our purple egg. And look, we got another hatched egg. Here's our purple egg. This has a plus on the bottom. There, and we got Everest. Everest is purple, so she came with the purple egg. Here we go. Boop. Let's set her back here. Look at all the eggs we've gotten now. All right, we have 2 more eggs to go. So let's do our pink egg next. It can bounce up. Look at that, it bounced way up here. Now it's ready to go down the slide. Whoop. And look, we got another hatched egg. This one's a pink egg. And this has a triangle shape on the bottom. And look, we found Sky. Here we go, Sky. Boop. Now look at all of our Paw Patrol. We have 1 more egg. Whoop, I wonder who this egg is going to be. Boop, 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 boo. Whoop, I wonder who this egg is going to be. Boop, 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 boo. This is a blue egg. Are you ready to go down, blue egg? Here we go. And there's our last egg. It's blue. And it's a star shape on bottom. Boop. And look who we found with our blue egg. It's Chase, because he likes to wear blue. Look at all those fun eggs. Chicolette, I'm so glad you found those eggs. That was so fun, Paw Patrol. Wow! All right, that's it with all of our eggs and our Paw Patrol. But now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Hi guys! Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim zam shabam! Oh look! Here's some videos you can watch! It's going to be super fun!